Good day to you, sir, madam. I'm Odelia Gemma Reyes, 34 years old, married. I have one child, graduated Bachelor of Science in Nursing.
Okay, good day to you, Miss Odelia Gemma. How are you today?
I'm fine, sir, madam.
Okay, so what do you think are the right attitude and characteristics of a good domestic helper?
Must be responsible, honest, and hardworking, sir, madam.
So since you're already a mother, can you tell me the proper way on how to take care of the children?
Give them a bath, foods, and vitamins, and love them as I love my own child.
Okay, so what if you committed a mistake and the employer scolds you? What will you do?
Sir, madam, sorry, and I admit my mistakes, and I will not do it anymore.
Okay, so Miss Odelia, what is your last message or promise to your employer?
Sir, madam, please choose me. I need this job for my family, most especially to my child, and I promise to do my responsibilities, and I will finish my 2 years contract.
Okay, thank you, Miss Odelia Gemma, and hope to see you soon in Singapore.
Thank you, sir, madam.